a legit powder day.
Happy ski season! I'm so excited. It's officially my first ski season vlog back, and I'm so freaking pumped to do this. We're finally back, baby. I have gone skiing twice already this season, but they were just for a day here and there. And now our home mountain is officially open. It opened yesterday on Thanksgiving. We didn't go yesterday though. Had a lot to do. Lots of cooking, you know, Thanksgiving and all. But we're going today. I think it's gonna be so fun. If you guys don't already know, this ski season I am dedicating my time to ski every single Epic Pass resort in one season. It's gonna be insane, I think. A lot of work, a lot of time spent traveling, but a lot of time spent in really cool places. So I'm really pumped for that. And honestly, I'm honored that they chose me to do such a crazy project. Today we are not fulfilling one of those resorts, which is fine because next week the thick of it really begins. I leave December 4th for essentially the entire season. It's gonna be a lot, but like I said before, gonna go to a lot of really cool places and probably meet a lot of really cool people, and I think it will just be a crazy adventure. I am getting a little bit sad about leaving Aspen for an entire winter. I didn't fully know that this would be the case when I agreed to it. Not that it would have changed anything because it is such like a cool opportunity. However, I kind of thought, I don't know, that I would be coming back here and there. And I am, I guess, a little bit, maybe like 10 days throughout the season, I'll be home, which I wasn't expecting, but it will be interesting. So I'm at least trying to get all the skiing in on this mountain that I can while I'm actually home. I will say, there really isn't much snow here in Colorado, so I believe only the top of the mountain is open. You gotta download on the gondola. You cannot ski all the way down, so today should be interesting. How excited are you for the first day of skiing?
I am excited to see the people that I haven't seen in 6 months. I'm not excited. I'm excited to see how dirty it's going to be.
Like legit dirt?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be like 30, 40 degrees up there. So we're not dressing too warm. Hopefully, I don't regret that. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty much an iced coffee girl year round. Even if it's freezing cold out. Winter, middle of winter, I'm still getting iced coffee. Smile.
What is that?
It's my new camera. Isn't it so cute?
Hello all. Took a good 20 minutes to get this thing to be on me and not hurt. Essentially, we're going skiing, if you can't tell. On the good 3 runs that are open.
There's 3 runs open?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was only gonna be 1.
Nope, there's 3. I'm showing the background.
Oh, so much snow.
Wow. Just pure grass. If someone didn't tell me what season it is, I would think it's summer.
I would think it's spring.
Look at the green grass. Green. You're green. I am. Okay, outfit check. Ready? These are Fubuki boots. Grace's pants from Free People. This, that Grace got me. My helmet, legs, goggles, my skis.
Ooh.
My poles, my boots that snow.
Ooh.
Want one here?
Yeah.
These are my Fisher skis. This is my Columbia jacket over my pants.
Why am I trying to show your shoes that I can't?
You have to use the little...
Oh, okay.
Got it?
Ooh.
New shoes from Tiva. I don't know how to say it, but they're really comfy. And an outpost hat.
Oh yeah, wait, I don't know what side my thing's on.
Don't forget to take your outpost hat off and wear a helmet, kids.
3 laps was enough for me.
How was your skiing, Kai?
It was good. It's kind of cold.
It is
Got
kind
my
of
gloves.
naked hands, girl. The snow was better than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah.
Snow is snow.
Snow is snow.
Skiing
Skiing
is
is skiing. And we got to ski.
Late season means good season.
You think so?
I know so.
We're back from skiing, and since Thanksgiving was yesterday, we'll be feasting on leftovers for the near future. Every day. Boom! That actually looks fire.
I bet I could finish it in about 20 minutes.
No. Wait for me! Good morning! I feel like my skin is already so dry from skiing, and I've only skied for 3 days. So I think I need to go back to my thickest, oiliest face lotion, honestly. Or it could be from traveling and being out of routine. I don't know. I'm gonna put out all the stops today to try to get my skin hydrated and back in action. I don't know if I'm going to go skiing today. I think I'm not, because I have a bunch of stuff I need to film. And I think we're gonna go get our Christmas tree. Well, maybe not Cooper and I's, because I don't know that we're home enough to enjoy a Christmas tree. But we're going with his family to get theirs, so at least we get to do it. Hopefully I can put up some decor this weekend too. I can't decide because I'm not going to be here for Christmas or like majority of December. So like, do I set up Christmas decor to enjoy it for 5 days and then leave it to Cooper to take down? It just doesn't seem very like fun and nice of me to just put it all up and expect him to take it down when I'm not even gonna be here. Well, he's not gonna be here either that much, so I don't know. I just can't decide if it's worth it. This stuff, Pond's, the focusing. My mother works in elderly care, and there was this lady that she used to work for that had incredible skin, even in her late years, and the only thing she ever used on her face was this her whole life. Body, face, everything. It's like pretty like thick and oily. Honestly, it works so well. I usually actually don't like putting it on in the morning. But like at nighttime, when I can just let my face bake in the lotion. Yeah. Ooh, actually, I forgot. I do have one thing set up for Christmas decor. The countdown has begun. I do think it would be really cute to make this all Christmassy. So I might do that. And I don't know how many years, but today I just decided it was time to start again. I couldn't think of any other breakfast items because I lately have been getting sick when I eat eggs, and I just like was drawing a blank. So back to our roots. Also, since it's finally the holiday season, I can make my coffee with a festive straw. My little candy cane straws. That hits. We're headed to go get the Christmas tree, and I'm obsessed with my outfit, so I just have to show you. I love the pink and green combo. How are my little elves doing on this fine Saturday?
I'm being smushed.
So not very good.
Oh my god.
So dressed and ready for this occasion. Cooper typically goes for the Charlie Brown Christmas trees. We'll see what he decides on today. Are you a big Charlie Brown Christmas treer?
I am. I never was, but with these I am.
They're cute! Well, that was fast. I love your little tree, Kylie.
Great success. And before the sunset.
Spend the day skiing with the girlies on Ajax, and I am so excited. I haven't skied with them yet this season, and I'm not gonna get to ski with them that much this season, so gotta get it in while we can. We still don't really have snow here in Colorado. Hopefully by the time you're seeing this, we do. Pray for snow, we need it. But there are 3 runs open, and we still get to ski a little bit, but I actually think it might snow today. I was told to bring my low light goggles, so hopefully that means snow. I'll update you when we get there. And I think it's also supposed to snow a little bit this week. Some other areas in Colorado have gotten quite a bit more snow than us. We're just like getting the pockets of the storms where there isn't a storm. It's kind of pissing me off. The girls are also going out to Sushi tonight to visit one of our friends because she's starting a new job as a food runner or a waitress or something. So we're gonna go visit her. And it's just gonna be a fun, packed day with the girls. I'm excited. We got our second braid in. I'm still feeling a bit like overstimulated with the hair and all the layers and the wool and everything. So I know it's gonna take a couple weeks to get used to, but we will survive. Since it is maybe snowing up there, I think I'm gonna do insulated pants and an insulated jacket. Ooh, I need a hat. I think we're ready to go skiing.
Good news, guys. There's a little bit of snow coming down. A much needed winter wonderland is on the way.
Yo!
Hey!
Teeny tiny powder day. Teeny tiny.
Oh, is that what it is?
Happy Sunday!
Yay! Casey's on shorties. Yeah, girl, get it, get it. A legit powder day, except for it's
coming down.
not on the ground.
No, this is good. This makes me like, okay, we're gonna be okay. Like, we're gonna be
Are you
okay.
getting worried for a second?
We're gonna survive.
It's kind of nice.
Like,
Look at the snow.
maybe they can open.
It's kind of covered.
Yeah, look at this. This is actually like a cute.
This is good.
Look.
This is good. This is good,
Zoom in on
guys.
Renee's chest.
Oh, that right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah! Look at it! Oh! Hamilton ski shop expanded, so if you're in town, you need to come here because it looks sick.
Check it out.
Looks actually so nice. Also, they have this kit that I really want. Yeah. This is stunning. I want it. It's a new brand, and the material is amazing. But look at how nice in here it looks. So good. As you know, we're getting sushi tonight. But now that it's dumping, thank goodness, there was absolutely no way I was going to make it home and back to Snowmass for dinner. So I'm dressing like Riley tonight. What do we think?
Does she look like me?
I think I fit the part. I love it.
It looks good.
It's comfy too. Great. Oh, you guys! Finally!
After you.
Oh, thank you, girl.
You get the sauce?
Ooh, ooh.
Did you take? Oh.
Wait, that actually looks so good. How did you do this in one bite?
You just open up like an animal. That's the rainbow roll. This is the pineapple. Exciting. That's like giant. Yeah.
Good morning, guys. We have ourselves a potential sneaky little pow day today. We knew it was gonna snow, but not this much. Gonna go check out the snow. Go skiing for a little bit with Cooper and my friend Jess. It is a Monday, and Cooper and I both have so much work to do. So we're not gonna go all day, but we could not pass up on the first good snow day. Here we go. It's sunny, so I get to use my favorite goggles. Whoa, breath is foggy. I think we're ready. Let's go skiing!
Well, you can talk to me.
How was your first mini powder day?
Nuclear.
Oh,
Got one face shot.
you did?
Mhm. Literally just slammed on the brakes. Death before download.
So sad. Death before down.
How was your first powder day?
Oh my god, it was awesome. It was like
that's
super steep and gnarly and a lot of cliff drops and stuff like that.
Never mind. I thought that was new.
Yeah.
A lot of cliff drops. So
Pretty
many.
electric stuff.
So
A few
many.
double backflips and such.
I got my first triple out of the way.
Okay. It was pretty electric, but not that electric. I feel so lucky now that we're getting so much snow. That was so fun. I am back home now, and I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Also, there's so much snow on the way. I'm just freaking out. We landed on a chairlift. Like, the chairlift stopped when it was on one of the posts, and growing up, we always said that it was good luck and that you could make a wish if you stopped when you were on the wheel thing, and I wished for more snow. So, looks like my wish is coming true. If you made it this far in the video, maybe comment a little snowflake emoji. Bring on some more snow. And I guess I'll see you guys next week. I love you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.